Alright guys, it's probably on and I am in live. Szóval ja, sziasztok! Alright, let's do. For Hungarians. Nagyjából csendben leszek, kivéve ha jön komment. Egyébként pedig hát tényleg csend lesz. Ha lesz komment, arra válaszolok, hogyha hajlandó lesz a telefonom felfogni, hogy meg szeretném nézni a saját adásomat. Mert hogy nem azt, hogy meg szeretném, hanem rá szeretnék nézni a saját adásomra. Remélhetőleg hamarosan eljut az ő agyáig is. Ja. Oké. Igen. Sikeres. Szóval. Képminőség rendben lévőnek tűnik. És akkor most foglalkozunk az angolokkal. So guys, I just checked everything alright and stuffs. I will try to answer the comments, but I am not promising anything because I just have one monitor, so I will just read comments from my phone, if my phone would be so kind and display the comments for me. I'll just try to set it up and I will go then. Okay, sikerült beosztani. So, all comments are right, so I hopefully will see them. This is the current printer. The files what in the cloud drive on the description, you will find these yet. It will update in live, so if I adjust something in this model, if you re-download it, you will see it instantly. Just want to be mentioned this. Ilyen, szóval tehát minden modell live-ban frissül, tehát az élő fájlokat frissítgetem. Tehát, hogyha valamit live-ban átállítok, akkor azt egyből a letöltött fájlok között is látni fogjátok, és egyébként így néz ki jelenleg a nyomtatóm, plusz-minusz egy pár dolog. Tehát itt van, ezen a csavaron például van egy csapágy, és körbe megy rajta a szíj, szóval szíjhajtásos, nagyjából ennyi. Körbe megy a szíj, erre van rácsatlakoztatva, van feszítési lehetőség, viszont ezt kéne áttervezni Core XY hajtáshoz, ami egy kicsit komplikáltabbnak tűnik, viszont súly előnyt jelentene. Ezt fogom csinálni, ha lesz komment, akkor tolom. És egyébként valószínűleg angolul fogok beszélni, mert hogy több angol néz, mint magyar. De ha magyar komment jön, akkor arra magyarul válaszolok. So guys, this is the plan. I will redesign it for core XY or XY, or say it as you wish. The current model have standard Cartesian movements, like the belt comes through here, and there is a bearing on this screw, and it's attached to this one, and I can tighten the belt, so it's moving fine. This is my z-axis. Basically the other axis is the same. This is the z-axis, and this will have the most change. As you can see, now I just drive it from one side, but I want to mirror it, so I will be able to balance it better than now. Yes. Currently it's all the profile are 30 by 30 Bosch profiles, and this one is the linear bearing is Bosch Rextro profile. I got it very cheap. Actually, the 3 Bosch profile was the last 3 where I bought, but the 3 profile was cheaper than these 2 with the bearings. So yes, that's why I use these. Anyway, I should start it because it will be a long shot. Let's check it. Something. No? My chat doesn't want to work. Let's see. So, there is no one watching. But anyway. That's my other channel, whatever. My phone just don't really want to work. So, let's start it. It will be a pain in my ass, but you know. So basically I want to flip it upside down, so the Z motors will be on the bottom and the whole machine will stand in 4 legs. This should give some stability for the Z and for the whole machine, because some weight get from the top to the bottom, so the center of mass will be lower. I think you see the point. And that will be achieved by, I should hide these. My solid edge is Hungarian. Sorry for this, but I am Hungarian, as you may know. So yes. I should... No. Just disassembly. This whole thing just in my way. I love it. No? I don't really get the point why it's not hidden correctly, but well, just mentioned all the parts what you can see here is designed by me. Yes, by my. So there is some issues in the tolerances and other stuffs, but it's working. So yes. And here comes the complicated part. So this should be, don't really know what I want to do here, because there are some options, but I think I will do one, and you can say it in comments if it's wrong or something, so I can change it later. But I think that's will be good enough. Or I hope. So the basic idea is I get off from here this assembly, move it all the way somewhere here, like this. Okay, and like this. Okay, so these parts should bound together, but sometimes they don't. My English isn't with me today. Basically, sometimes you will hear some noises. That's my love when she doing her stuffs. So the basic idea is this plane go to here. No, not that way. This should be I found it. Ah, this one. So this won't be moved if I change this one. Oh, wrong button. By the way, I'm not a professional Solid Edge user, but I try my best. Okay, Ctrl Z. This one is well. Alright. Please, Dankeschön. Or just thank you if you are an Englishman in New York. Anyway, I just found out this get off. This and this won't be good, because in this time I want to extend the printing area for the whole machine, so I have to get some longer parts than this, and those would be longer. So I just get that two off, and for the longer part I will get for the first this one. This is a 450mm long and 30 by 30mm profile with some holes, which is wrong anyway. No, here here should be another 2 holes, but I fix this later. And this should be saved as 500 millimeter long. So it's 500 millimeter long, and I should just made it longer by 50 millimeter. I should not do this much of cleanup, but I like when my models are clean, so at the very end there would be no like what I wanna say, there would be no like geometry issues. Yes, that's right. So I just save this and get some PMY down. Basically the program says all geometries like these ones, PMIs. I don't know why. Well, I'm pretty sure there is some English short form. And then I can close very slowly. I have some memory issues with my computer, but I'm working on that. Well, the program freezed. I love it. Yes, it's totally freezed. Very nice. No. Solid Edge working. I mean, the Mozilla Firefox is working and you can see that, which is weird, but Solid Edge isn't working at all. Oh, it's consuming all my processor. I see. So that's an issue, but maybe if I close this one, no? Alright, the stream just came back. So the stream is here. I don't want to know this. The data is alright. Solid Edge still not answering, so I have to force shut down it, which is not good. No, it's totally freezed. See? Well, feladat, right. Yes, that's my desktop. Not very clean, but I am a bit messy. Just don't know why I'm not see the chat on my phone. at all actually. So see, the program saved the part, and saved, I suppose, or I hope it saved the whole assembly as well. No, the assembly wasn't been saved, but the part is saved, I suppose. You will see. Let's see. Yeah, all the parts what you can see here is made by me, as I mentioned earlier, and all the sub-assemblies, all the stuffs. Well, only one thing which is not made by me, that's this small GT2 pulley, you know what I mean, I hope. The cool thing is, my phone don't really want to mention I am in live stream in this account at all. So when I see my videos, there is no live stream or something. If I search in it, well, oh, yes, 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 and again, oh, I saw my own comment. So now I will be able to watch the chat. Cool. Alright. Basically, I still don't know if you can hear me or not, because I was stupid and don't really hear the stream back. So you basically just saw a guy who talking, but you didn't hear anything. That would be a shame, but I can't really check it right now. And my lab is not up to the task until now. Yes. Basically, you should not hear her because she's quiet, and I use this mic, not the camera one, so you should not hear her. Yes, we say it like that. Okay, so basically the program saved our part. So if I delete this one, if I say just show the live stream, if I delete that one and I keep this one here for forget the parallel to the longer one. So let's see, 500 long. The part name sometimes or all the times is Hungarian because I planned it in Hungarian, but I will try my best and made an English version for it because I think this can be annoying for Englishmen, if you know what I mean. So yes. No. So this is logged. Right. here and there. Ah, see, much more easier. Dear God of program. Well, logged as well. Come on. There is some issues. It's not the latest version of the program, so that should be an issue. But anyway, yes, that's cool. Alright. So, now this should be happen. Alright. Okay. So the basic concept is this. Come here for now, and after this I get the measurement of this distance. Where is the measuring tool? PMY. Right. Yes. 42 millimeters. So yes, some corrections. 42 mils, which means I want, no, it's not mean. So just to get the basic concept, I think I set up too much. The basic concept, this bearing is come out here, if you can't see my mouse, maybe here, and the other end would be peek out here like this, or a bit less, but you know, and the other one as well. So the whole printer would be a bit larger, but the whole inner area will be anyway heated. The whole area will be a heated bed from as an aluminium table, and I will maybe will place a glass plane on it, but maybe I just leave it as a bare aluminium. But I don't know. I'm just guessing how thick the aluminium should be if I want to do that. So this, come here please, and about 80. Yes. Yes, I know the other way, other end is shifted in, but that's not a matter. That's not matters because I will made it longer. I mean this part. So by the way, I got a bit cold, so sometimes I'm just grabbing my nose, you know. So this. Move here. This was painless. This part at here should be rotated by 108 degrees. Oh, this one too. Okay, and this should be attached to here and here. That's alright. And this should be attached this plane and That's correct. This is the middle of that, which is good, so this should be alright that way. Which mean by the way, this plane or should be on that one, but it's not working. Because some of the restrictions are against this thing. Control Z. This one, by the way, will be this way. So I can make this and that. No, one by one. I have to do it one by one. But it's an assembly, alright. It's not against, please. Believe me, program. It's against which one? This? No. This? No. This? No. So I don't get the point. Sometimes I just have to delete the parts and get them in again, because the program thinks there is something incoherency. Azt akarom kitörölni. I want to delete it. Danke. This one. Yeah, program just warned me. This part has the same name as this, which basically not really surprising, but it's totally correct. So these have to be height of this. And these have to be parallel with this. No. I don't want to say anything at all. Javíts ki. Just made it. Good. Yes. Danke. So. These are in their place. Yes, I want to. And now it should be just this plane placed on this plane. Good. This one, does it moved? Obviously it moved, but why? like this. So it's not moving at all. Yes, this rod is displaced, but that's not an issue now. Yeah, and I stick to this orientation, but these will be a bit more far away from each other. So this just should be approximately good, but no, this, yes. So, and now I want to fix this one, fix this one, fix this one, which should mean, but we'll do it by hand, fix this one. What I have to consider, there will be this Z threaded rod anyway. I need a napkin or something. Check the comments. Well, there is no comment. But in the meantime, I just check the Facebook. Maybe there is some things. Give me a second, please. Oh yes, there is a thing, so I just have to answer for a guy. Yeah. So I answered that one. By the way, as you can see, there is no screws or there is no other washers. Yes. Whatever. The problem is what I'm facing. I mean, what I start to explain. There is no nuts, no washers, no bolts or anything, because until the final steps I don't want to put those in, because that here in this phase those are just some, how can I say it, some graphical thing which is not needed yet. Obviously in the holes and other places there would be the nuts, so on and so on, but now there is not, because you know the orientation to each others and other kind of stuffs just good. So yes. Yes. And the thing will be that this goes away just for a while, and this goes up, just out of the way. So this one, and this way I can replace this assembly, but for that the motor have to be moved. Yes. In the meantime, I just check the comments, and I save this one. Right. Saved. Szia Bence. And szia Cica. Yes, my phone is still slow, so I will just no, my phone isn't slow, just the YouTube app on my phone is slow, and yeah, that should be an issue. Or this is an issue anyway. Just carry on this. So I have to make these ones upside down, like should be get the middle of this, but I won't. No. This axis, this point, please. No. Like this, alright. This coming. Yeah, like that. So. Oh. I made it pretty close. So. The thing is, this plane lie on this one, like now. This plane please be parallel with this one. This plane please be parallel with that one, and for some more safety, this with with this, and this with this. Okie dokie. Oh, this last one shouldn't be do. So, what happens here? don't even wanna know. That plane have to lie on that one. Oh my god. And it's freezed again. Nope. It sometimes just happens, like I said. Yes, I want to. Like I said, my PC is a bit weak. And by the way, I should reinstall my Windows. Yes. 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 And in the meantime, I should eat something. I mean, some food. Alright, yes. Just try it again. I mean, whatever. What if I just redo it in the correct position? So, this one, please. Alright, so this one in the middle of yourself. I like this position. Alright. And this parallel with that. Okay. I just got an email from my YouTube partner, which is nice. Just not in the greatest time. This should be here, about 50. Yes, like this. Not even like this, by the way. I mean, like this, but not here. Because the thing will be this. Well, I will do that later. Dear program, that would be so nice if you got this. Oh yes, and I forgot to spin it around. I don't know. I spin it with 180 degrees, and this not lay on that. I still don't know this why can't happen. Well, now can it happen? No. I just delete it all and I will redo it in the right place, or estimated right place. So this is the driven side, which is in this plane. Come here. Alright, then this come to this. And for the geometry, this plane come here. So the program believes it's alright. Then I have to align this because that's a critical thing. This is how far from the edge of this. Seven and a half. So I have to move it 7.5 down to have it in the middle. It will be good. Yes. And in this case, let's see, this should be grounded so it won't move. And if it can't move, I can get in this one and just put this onto this plane, get it turned away, get this into this plane, and this into this plane. And nothing moved. Cool. In the meantime, I check something in my phone. I think I posted something into this group, but it's not shows here. Well, it's here. Yes. Nem, a live az megy. My love ask should check my internet connection, but it's working for me. Yes. So it's working. Alright, so let's continue. I going a bit slower in live stream. I mean, you know, if I just planning for myself and not speaking, that would be a bit faster. But it's good actually. It's 5, so I have to move it down 10. Basically I did this one upside down, but I don't care. You will say why I say it's upside down, but and this is the rod itself. So this is the driven shaft. In this position. Let's come down here. And basically this should be oriented, by the way. No, it's good. Well, that's it. So the basic idea is here this. For this, if I repeat this assembly in the other side, this peaks out about 50. If I hide this one, I see it in the top. Here is some tolerance, so it's nice. Alright, so it's about just 45 mil here, but let's check it. No, I don't want to check that. 44. Let's say it's 45. So basically this distance from, for example, here to here is 460. 460. Yes, that's correct. 460, and I should give it to that 90, which is 550. So this, I have to edit this one and give 50 more here. Right. And I will have to rename it after all, but not now. I just save one. Well, this is my VPN client because I am in a student hostel. There are some port restrictions and I use a VPN for it, and sometimes it's just sticking. Let's check the stream. There is 0 viewers, so I talking not for nothing. Egyébként tényleg megszakadt a net, mert volt 2 másodpercnyi frame droppom. Mondjad! Láttam. And by the way, I just get before myself a bowl of food. I didn't eat it yet. Well, my love said it hers. Hers too, so she have more from it than me. I don't want any collision with the other part, and because they are bound together, I just remove them. Remove them all. Alright. The other will be this one. One up, and no. This is the stepper motors. Runner. I need this one. Hopefully this will be good. If not, I have to change it. As always. So, this one is alright, and just have to install this one. Yes, like this. Maybe if I stay with the idea, well, I just thinking I should use another plate here, and that plate should go to the profile, but that would be a bit complicated, I suppose. Yes. Yes. Anyway. And the thing here, I get rid of this one. I give into another from this, which is the same properties. Like this. And I just made it, for now, I just made it symmetrical, but I think I will change this later. It's 90, so I have to move it 90. Okie-do, and here there is this thing. I knew it. Don't. All right. And that's 8 millimeters, so if I move this 3 with 8, this should be nice. Azt hiszem balakultatás van. Volt. Ez most sportnap after party, vagy barákoktatás after party? Ja, a sportnap miatt elmarad? Ó! Oh. Tehát csak át... hogy. És lett. Gratulálok. Használd egészséggel meg ilyenek. Legalább lesz egy topos karaktered is. Morde. Na, de azért ne soroljuk oda. Dzsungelbe. By the way, my love is just playing League of Legends and we talking about something. She got a new skin from these Hextech chests, so she got one what she likes, so she's just happy, screaming all over the place. And she just screaming, she not screaming. Yes, that was her hand. He tried to kill me. Help me! Well. Nem most. Okie dokie. So, just another set of this. But now it can be goes quite fast, because now I just put this into this plane, this into this plane, and this into that plane, so it's arranged anyway. So the other part with what other one? Delete. I just add this one right now. So this goes top of this, and this goes here like this. Good. Mr. Bombastic, this is fantastic. Yes, and that should be go down just with a bit. Yes. 5-bit. Not 3-bit, 5-bit. Okay, though. So the basic idea is this, and obviously for the driving, I think I will use 2 motors in Z, and I will use these 8 screws for legs, so I will have the required amount of space below the printer, or I just made some legs with the printer itself or something after it's done. I think this will be the assembly, not the video, because I have about a half an hour more. Yes, and that's nice. I mean, that's cool if I have half hour. So I think I will just make the bed itself as well. And to make it stronger, I think I will make a piece which goes through here. Or it should be not here, or just made it through here and bound the ends together. It's hard because basically, if I made my camera image bigger, so basically, if there is any movement right now, if you can see the whole, right, the moving part is this threaded rod, which is which you can see, but the threaded rod is in the picture with lines, and the one side have the threaded rods and the other just the linear bearings. So the whole bed will be shifted a bit like this. I mean this. It's not a big deal, just about a couple of hundreds of millimeter, but still. And if I want to lower this movement, I should bound together the 2 ends, but I don't really know which way actually, because if I bound them together, that would cause you know, basically more weight on the axis, so it's will be more rigid and more solid build, but it will be heavier as well, so that's not necessarily good. The XSplit decided I want to mention, the XSplit just said there is too high processor use. In the whole stream I used about 95% processor, so it just popped out now. Anyway, so basically the idea is to get this kind of move lower, but you know, if I add more weight, it will be need higher amperage for the motors, which mean warmer motor drive and higher current, so it will cause more heat. So, and you don't know that, but I use some motors which I buy. It's not even buy. I got it from a company, and they asked me I should print them in material cost, and that's fine for me. So yes, that's the idea, but it's very hard because, you know, it's a bit more rigidity or a bit more weight, and it's hard to tell. Basically, I think the bed itself will be secured down with 4 screws in the 4 end, but I think I will add some in the middle, and in the middle I will add a bar, just an L-shaped one, for some strength. I take back my camera image. It was kind of this. So I think an L-shaped bar here, and give some other bolts secured down, but I don't know yet. The other thing is I may do this not with these profiles, but with L-shaped profiles, you know, and that will made a bit less weight but a bit less stability. But I think that should be enough in Z. So yes, it's kind of a hard task to do this. And by the way, I'm just curious if I saw it from this angle. Yes. So the main thing is what I just saw. This nut, let's say it's a nut, can't go down till this, just till this, because it's get in. So in this configuration it's kind of good here, but in this way I may just get it in the down position, as I mentioned. But that's if I get this down, so it's the planes same. Sorry for this, I just thinking and try to say what I think, but it's sometimes hard. I just gave into my mind the folder what I used is not that what I want to use, so I have to copy some parts, but that's will be fine. I need something to drink as well. So, and one more thing, I just thinking, should I have this and this part inside the profiles or outside? I think if it's inside, there is less distance between them here, which mean less force try to steer it, but I don't know. But now I should think what kind of plate can I use here. I think that will be a 395 by 395 aluminium plate. Alumina. It sounds gross. Anyway. Yes, but I don't want to use... so the basic idea is there would be a plate which go around here. So, and for that I can use this one. So the basic idea, there would be a plate which go around the whole printer and gives me 4 points, and top of that plate there would be some parawood, I suppose that's the material, but I don't know. I will check it in the Google Translator. I don't want to miss it. If my phone would be so nice. Cork wood. If that's a if that's a thing, there is a the thing is go on the bed is cork wood, and top of the cork wood would be the heating element, and top of the heating element would be the aluminium plate itself. Which kind of means alright. Which kind of means more equivalent heat distribution, which is nice. I hope. So, for the first thing, I will do it as I don't know. It's 3 millimeter aluminum plate here. So I think I keep that one for 3 millimeters because 3 millimeter is quite cheap. Well, cheaper than a 10 millimeter one. That's the point. I don't even want to know what's this. What kind of... You can't delete it. Why? Well, then do it like this. So you can't delete it, but you can delete it. Solid Edge will have you, but I think that's not a big issue. Anyway, so the thing I want to do this like change this top. This plane, just give me some measures, please. 230 by 230. So if I give 80, yes. Oops. Oh, I see. Fine. It should be... Oh. 30. It's like this. I mean, the top, but I'm thinking it's a bit big, as you can see. So I think this, and I don't want to two piece of this size aluminum plate on the bed because it's aluminum, but it's still quite heavy. So I just want to have like something here. It's just some measures for me. Yes. So the basic idea is I do something like this from 3 millimeter shape, 3 millimeter sheets, but as you can see it's quite big and quite heavy, and it's quite not good. So I think I will do that. I will use some kind of L-shaped aluminium profiles around here, and that will solve this problem. You will see soon what I wanna do. the basic idea is have profiles like around the bed, and top of there will be the corkwood, and upon this sheet would be 5 mm thick or thin. Well, no, I don't want to do this. I want to make it 5 mm thick. Can I have that? Looks like I can't. I can make it thinner, but I can make it thicker, which is kind of weird. Alright, just try like this. No, I have to do it again. I love it. Yes. I think that would be nice for the plate. It's a bit late now. So the basic idea is for this whole thing is on L size profile just go around, but that will make some problems. No, I have to place all profiles a bit outwise, so and I have to use top of this. Kind of this. Because this way, well, there is some problems, but How many? How much is that problem? $247. So now this both 90 yes. I just made a Google search. How much is this size of aluminium piece? The result is quite bad. The site, what I found, it said 5 mm thick aluminium sheet would be if I count it in euros, about 150 euro or 120 pounds, or about maybe $180, depend on where you live, and that's a bit lot. So the basic idea was, I have one aluminium plate like this. I have some holes in it, etc., etc., but that can be added later. And after that, this thing, which is probably a piece of parawood or corkwood. Like this. That way I don't have to have any glass or anything on it. Yes, and top of this there would be a heating element. It's a very thin or quite thin silicone one you can get on eBay, and top of that there would be another this sheet. So yes, thing like this was the basic idea. Between these there would be some screws here to adjust the height and like that, but this was the first idea. But as you can see, it's quite heavy. So if we get the part I want to make the datasheet. Yes, this one. I want to give it something like this. Yes. And now we can have the we should have the weight of the material. Once I found that, so it's somewhere there. Well, that's cool, but well, we will never know the weight of this object. But if we get that, well, this, no, not that, this. Give me the calculator. Danke. If we get it's 0.4 by 0.4 by 0.115 cubic meter piece of aluminium, and the aluminium weight, if I am right, is about 4 or 3 kilograms per cubic meter. No. So it's just this sheet would have 2 kilos. So it's about 4 kilo, this 2 sheet. And about bit more than 1 kilo, just, well, calculate about 2 kilos for the heating element, the cork wood or parawood, and other things like screws, washers, bolts, stuffs. And we didn't even count this bearing assembly and profiles. So this would be quite heavy. So I think I have to do this a bit other way. I have to remove the bottom, this bottom sheet, and I have to figure out something like L-shaped profiles here. But that will be the next live. So if someone's here, and if I am right, there is no one, well, there is exactly 0 viewers. So you will watch this live after its end, which means you're a viewer. So you can watch back the whole one. So if you enjoyed this video, or it's helped you in anything, please like this video and subscribe for more, because this was just the first part. There will be a second where we arrange the motors and stuffs, and like maybe the third where we will make the core XY or core XY thing itself, what will be quite tricky, and I have to make what is this? Whatever. I have to make another hold for the extruder, because the current one is quite big and too high, and I have to go down if I want to get some space here. So yes, there will be a lot of work. I think there will be 2 or 3 more episodes. So yes, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and leave a comment below. If you like this video, like the video, so press the like button. Maybe your friends will be interested, so press the share buttons and subscribe for other lives like this, or other lives like other lives. Thanks a lot for watching, see you! És csak hogy a magyaroktól is elköszönjek, sziasztok! Végeztünk! A továbbiakban még a Core XY buildet ki fogjuk egészíteni, és még a motorokat el fogjuk rendezni, stb. Ha bármi kérdésetek van, dobjatok egy kommentet alulra, egyébként pedig ne felejtsetek el feliratkozni a csatornámra, lájkolni, és megosztani a videót, hogy másokhoz is eljusson. Köszönöm, hogy megnéztetek, sziasztok!